Weekly Forex outlook for Sunday, July 6th to Friday, July 11th. Going to be breaking down my five main currency pairs with gold, WTI, COUSD, Brent crude, S&P, NAS, and US 30. So to start us off, let's start with the DXY. DXY going into this previous week, we took out this previous weekly area of demand, right around there. I'm going to go ahead and move this area down just to this new area. I want to see what price is going to do here. But overall, I do see the DXY continuing to go to the downside. Overall, right, bearish on all time frames, obviously. On the 3-hour or the 4-hour, it does look like we are getting a bit of a reversal pattern. And the way that the weekly closed, it does look like we could be reversing. Let's see what happens though. GJ, from the previous week going into this one, we did take out that daily area of supply. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this area now. Right. Looking left, we do see now price is at another area of supply. And let's see what price does in this area. Overall though, yes, we are bullish on the H3 time frame, but overall daily has the weekly has been in a range. Same thing, similar price action to GU. Actually, not really similar, sorry. Weekly structure is bullish, daily structure is bullish as well, right? Counter correlation with the DXY. DXY has been going to the downside. GU, EU, and AU probably going to the upside. I'm gonna go ahead and also move this area just to complement this new area of price action. I'm not going to go ahead and break down EU and GU since it's similar to prices. It's a very similar price action, if not the same. I'm going to go ahead and move this area just a bit to the downside right around here. Obviously, you see price came to this daily bullish order block right around here as well. I could label that area, but I just like to keep it here. It's pretty visible for me not to need to label it. I don't want another daily demand area overlapping this one. I'd rather just keep this here and be mindful of this fat order block right around there. UJ from the previous week going into this one. We do see prices following a clean momentum bearish trend line. Momentum trend line. I don't use trend lines to trade. I just use them in more of a directional bias. So I did see price broke out of that trend line. So this could be a confirmation that we could be going to the downside. Overall, let's see what happens. You do see price also coming up to this daily supply order block right around there. Right. Gold. I've been killing gold, bro. Took a big loss. Took some big dubs though. Overall, gold from the previous week going into this one. Price looks like it is in a transitional state. We could be going to the downside, right? Overall, let's see what happens. Weekly structure is still bullish. Daily structure just was taken out, right? This would be the last valid lower high that led into this. Higher low that led into this higher high. Our price took that area out, and it looks like we could be transitioning to the downside. Let's see what happens though. WTI COUSD. After price came to that weekly area or daily area of supply, right? We did come to the downside, and it's a daily area of supply within overall a weekly area of supply. I just refined the area. BCOUSD, very similar, if not the exact same price action, right? Daily area of supply within a weekly area of supply. Price didn't quite touch that area, but overall came to the downside. S&P, all-time high was taken out, so we are in a never been seen before area of price with an S&P and NAS. US 30 looks like now we're going to take that area out. Overall, let's see what happens. But that's all for my weekly breakdown for the week. I hope you guys have a good trading week, and let's get it.